up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what is up, my lovies? Happy Friday. Okay, guys. So, as we know, I suck at makeup tutorials. I don't really suck. I just not comfortable doing them. I can do a look in my bathroom looking at the mirror like that, and it's so easy and smooth. And then in front of you guys, I'm like, but that's just, you know, something I gotta get used to and more comfortable with, especially being a YouTube guru, beauty guru. You guys know what I mean. Anyways, as you guys see, I have the lovely gold glitter background behind me. It's not where I want to be right now, but I figure if I'm gonna stand up anyways to do this tutorial, because that's what I feel more comfortable in, and you guys can really look at my eyes when I'm doing this for you guys, then I figure I might as well just have the new background behind me. But the video after this, I will go back to the Winter Wonderland because your girl's gotta sit down. But if you guys are new to this YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding 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 the bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways on this channel, and right now I have a Jeffree Star Blue Blood giveaway going on. You're not gonna want to miss it. Rules are very simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like on that video and make sure you comment down below who is your favorite male actor. All right, guys, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so as I'm figuring out, we have different eyes. This eye is more opener than this eye. It's crazy, I know it's crazy, but I guess we all don't have the same eye shape, or maybe that comes from hooded eye people. I don't know, but I just figured that out. And I do apologize for the cutoff here. I mean, I could move it quicker behind me, but let's just not even worry about it because I'm gonna be like this with y'all. We're gonna be up close and personal right now. You guys said you wanted to see this little easy tutorial I did yesterday of the Glitterlicious look. So let's get into it. So I've already primed my eyes. I have Maybelline Age Rewind concealer on my face, and then I always prime it over my eyes, and then I use my e.l.f. concealer as well. Now, we are gonna be using only 2 palettes today to do this look. We're gonna be using the Going Coconuts palette, everyone's fave, and my, what is this? Beauty Glazed Rock Metal. Sponsor your girl, Beauty Glazed, because I love you guys. I love ya. This is an Indian brand, an indie makeup company, and I am trying to get on that affiliation list, you know what I mean? So, all right, let's get into this. So the color we're gonna use to go ahead and start darkening our eyes, we're jumping right in to Shelia. We're going in for a deep brown. This is a very simple tutorial, I promise you guys. It's not hard to do it all. We're probably gonna only use 3 brushes for this look as well. I'm gonna take my, I'm gonna take my Ipsy brush. I love this brush so much. And dipping it in the pan right here. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into the crease. And I do apologize if I'm looking like left and right. It's because the lens is over here and then y'all is over, you know, it's difficult, but whatever. Okay, getting right into that lens. It's crazy. Guys, tell me if it's crazy. Are you guys more comfortable just doing it in your bathroom? Like just doing your makeup in your bathroom? Because it's your comfortable zone. You know, it's where you know. And like right now, I've already messed up because I am not comfortable. I'm not where I'm normally at when I'm doing my makeup. My bathroom is my sanctuary. And I thought about I used to do makeup tutorials actually in the bathroom. And I thought about going to do another one, like going back to do that and just see how it works out. But I would have to bring my tripod in there and I don't know. It'd just be a little hectic. So that's why we didn't even attempt to do it. All right. So now we have that brown in our crease. I'm just going to go ahead and try to blend it out a little bit because it did get a little, I don't know, muddy, if that's the word I'm looking for. Like, I don't get this. When I do a tutorial in my bathroom, I don't have none of this. Like, I never have that. And in here, I always have that. I hate it. I have ordered makeup tape though, guys, and it is coming very soon. All right, guys, I'm back. Now we're gonna go in with, so when I used yesterday, I can't think. We're gonna go in with Nutty because we're trying to darken the outer corner, but we're not done, don't worry. This is all basically about browns, and you wanna make it so that it gives it a nice transition look of when you apply that black. So it's not all of a black smoky. It's kind of like a, I don't know what's the word I'm looking for. Neutral smoky, maybe? I don't know. Okay. Yay! That applied good. Except this one, again, is different than the other. I give up on that whole situation. Okay. So we've only applied 2 colors. Now we're going to take my favorite brush in the whole wide world. If I can find it. Let's just make sure it's still wet. It's gotta be wet or it's not gonna look. I'm gonna go wet it real quick, guys. All you have to do, remember, is to just wet it, just 1, 2, 1, 2 underneath the faucet on both sides. And this is the Luxie 239 Precision Shader. A brush that looks like this. It's gonna be perfect for smoking out your outer corner. And I'm taking just this black right here. Just a regular black. You can find a black in any palette these days. And we're going in from the corner up. So you wanna get that tip right in the corner and you want to brush it up. And you don't want to go all the way up, but you want to go to the mid into the brown. You see that? It kind of looks like you're doing a fake wing in a way, but not so much. Okay, we're just going to go back in and do this other side right here. Beautiful. Also, you guys, we already got some right there. You guys said that you guys wanted me to start doing the tutorial, the chit chat with Samantha Sweets. That will be a weekly segment. And I will ask you guys at the beginning of the week what the topic is going to be about. Sometimes I'll just come up with my topics on my own. And then sometimes I'll ask you guys what the topic should be about. But we'll have a nice little chit chat. I hate it. I hate this. I don't do this. When I'm in the mirror in my bathroom, I never ever have this stuff right here. Ooh, I did not mean to flick y'all off. All right, let's go back in with the black. Really pisses me off because it's like, I don't do this. So why am I doing this when I'm here? And my YouTube manager, she tried to explain it to me. I'm in my comfort zone because I always do my my right eye my left eye better than my right eye. I'm in my comfort zone. I'm in my, domain, and I'm just playing with makeup. When I'm here, I'm doing my job. You know what, you guys? I'm having fun, but I'm showing you guys. So I'm doing my job. And when I'm in my bathroom, I'm just playing with makeup. You see what I mean? So it's like, let's just pretend we're just doing fun. We're just having fun, Sam. Lighten up a little. Okay. That's pretty good. I always want to make sure it like flecks out like that. All right, now I'm going back in with the brush that we used with the browns, and we're just going to blend all of it together. Make sure you hug that crease. Get in there with that crease because you're blending all the colors together. I swear to God, it sounds like a freaking storm is about to explode outside of my house. It is so windy, but it's so not cold. I'm so confused. Okay, and then I used this color right here, which is Misty. It's another brown. I really like this color though because it's kind of like a mauvey brown, if you kind of can see. It's so pretty. I love it. And this just brought the whole color together when I used it yesterday. And this is the last color we're going to use before, of course, we do our lids. Oh, that's so pretty. It really darkened it up. It's really darkening that crease. So pretty. Yay. Okay. I like it. I like everything. I don't like this right here, but what can you do? All right. Now on to the lids. So let's just real quick. Let's go back one time. Hold on. Let me wipe off some of this excess color and blend all this together. So we use the coconut palette to do, am I going crazy or is this missing color? Like, what's up? It just didn't want color today or something. That little crease right there. Okay, so let's just go back over. So I'm using the coconut palette and we used Shell Yeah and we used Nutty. Bam, we were done with that palette. You could also, instead of using this last brown that I used though, you could actually darken it with this one right here, the Cocoa. So just know, and you guys obviously don't have this palette, or maybe you do, I don't know. And then I used just a black, any black. And then I went into the corner of my eye to smoke it out. This is such a simple look, and it's so pretty. And then I take my Ciate London, and I got this from BoxyCharm, like a add-on or something. And this was the Eye Luster Cream Shadow. It doesn't say what color it's in, I don't think. But it's so pretty. Look at it. It's gorgeous. Just looks like fallen snow. And we're going to go ahead and apply that all over our lid. Glitter, baby, glitter. Oh, Lord. And remember, having hooded eyes, it's going to get up to the crease. So you just have to clean it up when you're done. I really should have done this in the mirror because I'm not liking the way this came out. Oh my God. Are you kidding me, Samantha? Why does it you guys make me so nervous? Oh my gosh. All right, let me see what damage I did, because I can't really see what I'm looking at. Okay, not bad. Okay, so we're gonna just take another like small brush, and we're just gonna clean it up. We're gonna blend all this in. Okay, I'm having the same problem as I did yesterday, and I was supposed to fix this. So this color right here is more of a topper. It's not really one to be worn on its own. I mean, it can, but you really have to pack on the color. So what I really should have done is I really should have applied that silver in that Thirsty Jeffree Star palette, or any type of silver, and then put this over it, and it really would have popped and shined through. As you guys see, it's very sheer. So all you have to do is just apply either a white base or a silver base, and it would have looked amazing. But what I'm going to try to do is try to make it shine through. So wish me good luck. That's all I'm going to say. All right, guys, so I'm back. So I went back and I packed on as much color as I could. Here's the thing. I did my eyes, like I primed my eyes early this morning because I had to run out and go do errands, and then I was coming back to do this eye look for y'all. So I think that my primer pretty much like dried down. I mean, it's e.l.f., so it's cheap. Ooh, that's perfect. It's cheap, so it's really not, it's probably not going to stick hours later. So I'm glad that I went ahead and tried to pack on as much as I did. But in the future, like yesterday, because as you guys saw the pictures from yesterday, it was beautiful. And I used exactly the same products I'm using today. I used it, except I had primed my eyes and then did the makeup like that. So it's been a lot of hours in between. But what I could say is you could either add primer again before you put down this eye, because as you see, it is sheer. Or you could have put, like I said, the silver eyeshadow down, or like a white eyeshadow down. Just something to have the base for the eyeshadow to go on, because it is a very sheer color. But other than that, I love it. I think the look came out really good. It was so fun and easy to do. It's so simple, guys, honestly. And I'll go back over the steps with you guys one more time. So basically, I use my coconut palette, what I know a lot of you guys have, or just take a neutral palette. I use this medium brown right here, which was Shell Yeah. Then I went in with Nutty, and we just darkened up the crease. And then, like I said, let's skip the other palette. You don't even need the other brown. You could use the Cocoa to make it a little bit stronger. And then I just went in with a black, just any black. I mean, shit, e.l.f., Wet n Wild, they have blacks. A black, and added it in, blended it all together, and ta-da, put the liquid eyeshadow on top. Very simple. And then you're gonna take just like, hell, what do we got? We're in the beauty room right now. We have the Diamond Lights highlighter. So we're just gonna take that with a brush. What brush? Do I have like a brush? Okay, here we go. Take that with a brush, and we'll do our eyebrow bone real quick. Ooh, shine, girl, shine. Look at that iridescentness. I mean, normally, you know, I'm using probably, what do you call it? What am I using? the Balm Cosmetics Mary Luminizer. That's what I use to highlight my brow bone. But I mean, use what you got, honey. Remember, there's no rules in makeup, guys. None whatsoever. And besides, this is really making it pop. Hell, I'm even gonna put this in my inner corner. Yes, girl. Ooh, this is so pretty. Yay! So the look is done. I like it. I hope you guys do too. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the future if you guys have any other tutorials, and stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to be doing a busy beauty mini haul. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.